Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Hope everyone is doing wonderful today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I melt my lace, making it look like it's coming from my scalp. So stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do is to pluck your hair, pluck the wig line, making it look natural. So I'm using my fine point tweezer to pluck my hair. So what I'm doing, I pluck the front and then I part and pluck. So actually I'm going to do 3 parts. So the next step to do is your ball cap method, which helps to hold your lace firmly on your forehead. So I'm using the Got to Be Glue freezing spray, and this is to hold the wig cap, the lining of the wig cap in place. So once you've sprayed your wig cap, you want to use your blow dryer on cool air to dry. So now your next step is to get your air through the wig cap, making tiny holes and work your air through. So the next thing you want to do is to remove the excess wig cap from your forehead. So you're going to gently cut, lift, and gently remove your wig cap. So the next thing you want to do is to clean around the perimeter of your forehead using cotton and alcohol, and this will help your lace to hold firm. So once you have a clean forehead, you're now going to apply your lace glue. So normally I apply the glue exactly on the lining of my wig cap. You want to make sure to spread the glue evenly. Try to avoid getting lumps. So now that you've applied your first layer of glue, you're going to dry on cool air until the glue is crystal clear. So once the glue dry clear, you're going to apply a second layer of glue. So for extra hold, I'm applying a third layer of lace glue, and this will make your wig last longer. So now that the glue is dry, now is the time that I would apply my foundation on my wig cap to match my skin tone. But as you can see, I'm using a lace tint, so I'm not going to use the foundation on the wig cap. So now you want to make sure to set your lace directly on the glue. So now it's the fun part and the easiest part. This is where you style your hair. So I've worn this unit before in a center part, but now I'm going for a side part. So I'm just using my hot comb to get the hair really flat. So I'm using my slick stick to control the frizz and also to get the flatness that I'm really going for. So because I've never styled this wig in a side part before, so I'm just plucking the root to make it look more natural. So now I'm applying my foam wrap mousse, and this helps to control the frizz and get my hair extra flat and neat. So this is how I install and melt my lace. Thank you all for watching. Please like, please comment, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please take this time to subscribe and also hit the post notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post another video. Thank you again for watching, and please remember to subscribe, and I will see you all on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.